Get ready for something amazing that's going to happen across North America. From Mexico to the United States and Canada on Monday, April 8, 2024. A total solar eclipse. It's a rare event that starts in the South Pacific Ocean and then moves overland to Mexico's Pacific coast. This eclipse will be a big deal, traveling through different states and provinces and capturing everyone's attention. It's like the moon is playing peekaboo with the sun, making parts of the Earth go dark for a little while. During this eclipse, some places will experience total darkness, which is called totality. It's a bit like nighttime during the day. You'll get to see the sun's outer atmosphere, which is usually hidden by its bright light. We'll talk about what makes this eclipse so special, how to watch it safely, and how is it different from solar eclipse that happened on 2017. What you can expect if you're lucky enough to be in the path where the eclipse is total. It's going to be an incredible event, so mark your calendars and get ready for an unforgettable experience. What should we expect on April 8, 2024? The total solar eclipse on April 8, 2024 will be the last visible from the contiguous United States until 2044. During a total solar eclipse, the moon passes between the sun and Earth, completely blocking the sun's face. This creates a darkened sky, revealing the sun's corona if viewed from the path of totality. Viewing a total solar eclipse requires specialized eye protection like Eclipse glasses or a handheld solar viewer, except during the brief period of totality when it's safe to view without protection. The experience depends on clear skies and location within the path of totality to observe all stages, including the partial eclipse, shadow bands, Bailey's beads, the diamond ring effect, totality, and the brightening reappears phase. During totality, observers may see the chromosphere and corona, experience a 360-degree sunset, observe bright stars or planets, notice a drop in temperature, and sense an eerie silence. It's crucial to protect your eyes and use proper viewing techniques throughout the eclipse, as detailed safety guidelines are provided. Next up, let's talk about where and when you can witness this incredible event. This Monday, April 8, 2024, total solar eclipse will cross North America, passing over Mexico, the United States, and Canada. The total solar eclipse will begin over the South Pacific Ocean. Weather permitting, the first location in continental North America that will experience totality is Mexico's Pacific coast at around 11:07 a.m. PDT. The path of the eclipse continues from Mexico, entering the United States and Texas, and traveling through Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, Kentucky, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. Small parts of Tennessee and Michigan will also experience the total solar eclipse. The eclipse will enter Canada in southern Ontario and continue through Quebec, New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, and Cape Breton. The eclipse will exit continental North America on the Atlantic coast of Newfoundland, Canada at 5:16 p.m. NDT. Let's delve into the safety precautions to be taken while watching the solar eclipse. During a total solar eclipse, it's crucial to prioritize eye safety. Looking directly at the sun without proper protection, except during the brief total phase, can cause severe eye injury. Specialized eye protection, such as Eclipse glasses or a safe handheld solar viewer, must be used at all times during the partial phases of the eclipse. Regular sunglasses are not safe for viewing the sun. Eclipse glasses or handheld solar viewers should be inspected for damage before use. Children should be supervised when using solar viewers. It's important not to use Eclipse glasses or handheld viewers with cameras, binoculars, or telescopes, as the concentrated solar rays can burn through the filter and cause eye injury. Instead, use indirect viewing methods like a pinhole projector to safely view the eclipse. During totality, when the moon completely blocks the sun's bright face, it's safe to view the eclipse directly without protection. However, as soon as any part of the sun reappears, Eclipse glasses or a handheld solar viewer should be used again. In addition to eye safety, it's essential to protect your skin during the eclipse by wearing sunscreen, a hat, and protective clothing, especially if you'll be in direct sunlight for an extended period. Finally, let's discuss why is this so special than the solar eclipse that occurred in 2017. The 2024 eclipse is expected to be even more exciting than 2017 eclipse due to several factors. Firstly, the path of totality, where viewers can see the moon completely block the sun, will be wider and cover more populated areas than in 2017. This wider path means more people will have the opportunity to witness totality, with an estimated 31.6 million people living in the path and an additional 150 million within 200 miles of it. Moreover, 99% of people in the United States will be able to see at least a partial eclipse from where they live. Furthermore, the duration of totality during the 2024 eclipse will be longer than in 2017, lasting up to 4 minutes and 28 seconds in certain areas. This longer duration provides a better viewing experience for observers. Additionally, the 2024 eclipse occurs during a period of heightened solar activity, with the sun nearing solar maximum. This means viewers may see more prominent features of the sun, such as streamers and prominences, adding to the spectacle. From a scientific perspective, NASA is funding research initiatives during the 2024 eclipse to study the sun and its effects on Earth. Instruments aboard high-altitude research planes and other tools will be used to gather data during the eclipse, building on research conducted during the 2017 eclipse. Furthermore, recent spacecraft missions like NASA's Parker Solar Probe and ESA and NASA's Solar Orbiter will provide additional insights into the sun's corona, complementing the observations made from Earth during the eclipse. If you're in the path of the eclipse, you can watch it directly. Otherwise, you can tune in electronically on April 8th for the live broadcast provided by NASA. Check out the description section for the link. Overall, the 2024 total solar eclipse promises to be a significant event for both enthusiasts and scientists, offering a unique opportunity to observe and study the sun's behavior and effects.